this lonely fire consuming me. Walls are closing, silence near. Every heartbeat filled with fear. Empty voices call my name, but the night still feels the same. Burning solitude, fire in my veins. Lonely embers glowing through the chains. Burning solitude, tearing me apart. Restless shadow living in my heart. Every dream has turned to ash. Moments fade away so fast. I am trapped within my mind. Peace is something I can't find. Burning solitude, fire in my veins. Lonely embers glowing through the chains. Burning solitude, tearing me apart. A restless shadow living in my heart. Can't escape the smoke I breathe. Flames of sorrow underneath. I'm a prisoner of this flame, and the night won't call my name. Burning solitude, fire in my veins. Lonely embers glowing through the chains. Burning solitude, tearing me apart. A restless shadow living in my heart. Burning solitude, fading with the night. Burning solitude, lost without the light. Echoes fall across the sky. Broken voices say goodbye. Whispers fading through the rain. Every sound repeats the pain. Shattered echoes haunting me tonight. Broken pieces lost without the light. Shattered echo crying in the dark. Fading slowly from a lost without the light. Shattered echoes crying in the dark, fading slowly from a dying shadows fall, the night is near. Whispers of pain I used to hear. Broken skies above my head. Every dream has turned to red. Silent tears I try to hide, but your ghost is still inside. Crimson heartbreak burning deep in me, a bleeding memory I cannot set free. Crimson heartbreak echoes through the rain. Love has left me nothing but this pain. Every step feels cold and blind, lost within the ties that